34-year-old Shamameh Ghorbani was one of 9 people in Iran who were facing death by stoning for adultery. In August, however, a lower court decided she should instead receive 100 lashes for her crime. The issue with Ghorbani and the rest of the group, human rights lawyers say, is that most of them did not speak Persian and could not understand their interrogators or the charges against them.
Speaking to the lawyers, and okay, she, as they say, bi savad ya kam savad, she's not able to read, and although she's able to speak Persian, the woman didn't understand the process that she was being put through.
Ghorbani had confessed to having a relationship with a man who was stabbed to death by her husband and brothers when caught in the house. Amnesty International reports Ghorbani submitted a letter to the court saying, quote, "Since I'm a rural, illiterate woman and I did not know the law, I thought that if I had confessed to a relationship with the dead man, I could clear my brothers and husband of intentional murder. I said these untrue words in court and then understood I had done myself an injury." Adultery for married offenders is punishable by stoning, according to Article 83 of Iran's Penal Code. The Iranian Supreme Court, however, overturned this sentence in 2006 due to insufficient evidence. But now, after the recent retrial decision, Ghorbani is stuck with 100 lashes. The problem with many such sentences, The Guardian reports, is that they were, quote, handed down after hearings were held in private without the presence of witnesses and defense lawyers. Additionally, the British paper says 2 of these cases took place in the largely Arab-speaking city of Ahvaz near the Iran-Iraq border, and another 2 occurred in the mainly Azari-speaking northwest part of Iran.
That raises a number of concerns for these minority region cases, be they Arab, be they Azerbaijani, Baluchi, and there doesn't seem to be a commitment to ensure that sort of knowledge is guaranteed for those who may not speak Persian.
The other 7 women are charged with prostitution, incest, and adultery. 1 man is convicted of having a sexual relationship with a student. All were sentenced to death by stoning. But now that Iran's judiciary has just announced suspending the use of stoning as a means of execution, it appears their sentence will be on hold.
It remains to be seen, one, that this pledge will be honoured. The new draft bill for the penal code is under consideration by Parliament. If we can see some speedy action on those cases, I think the judiciary will gain more trust in respect to these words.